I feel like I'm a seasoned business traveler. I tend to look around and I spend times in airports and there's all these mystery doors. So I got to go into a mystery door, actually a mystery elevator. I was completely surprised that the airport has holding cells. It was cold and stark. There was a one unit thing that was aluminum toilet sink combination. I was probably in the holding cell a good hour, and then I was told I was waiting for TSA investigators. I'm John Brennan, and I'm a web professional. I was heading down to San Jose, was going through security, but things started changing from my routine. There were more TSA officers around me. I heard someone bark, "Clean that machine." So I asked the officer who was screening me what was going on, and he said I tested positive, and I thought, they think I'm carrying a bomb. I can't say that I was panicked, but I was now trying to solve this problem of how can I prove that I don't have explosives. They're accusing me of this thing, and I need to protect myself.
A bizarre scene unfolded at Portland International Airport when a man got busted for stripping down naked right next to the x-ray machines.
From witnesses and Port Police describe this was done as a form of protest.
As a proud Oregonian, and I know it's within my rights to be naked as a form of protected speech, and I knew that was the quickest way to show that I wasn't carrying a bomb.
I'm Michael Rose. I'm an attorney, the senior partner in the firm of Creighton and Rose. I represented John on his criminal charges in Multnomah County, Oregon. He was charged with public indecency. We took the case to trial and we won. He was found not guilty. However, the TSA proceeded against him civilly in an administrative proceeding.
TSA has administrative rules, which are something like laws.
So what happens is you have administratively promulgated rules that are made outside of the ordinary legislative process.
Their rule says that passengers cannot interfere with the screening process. I was off to the side in a screening area. I wasn't blocking the line. There is nothing in the administrative code that the TSA uses that describes interference. So TSA has free will to say, you interfered, you didn't, you interfered. When the first review came through, the recommended fine was $1,000. And as I've said from the beginning, I didn't get arrested to pay a fine. I got arrested because I think the TSA is violating our constitutional rights.
I think the more significant question is, can they pass a rule that says passengers cannot interfere, even though whatever they may be doing is protected under the First Amendment of the Constitution?
It is now my choice to go on to the Ninth Circuit Court. While Creighton and Rose can't do this pro bono, they can't do the Ninth Circuit appeal for free, they can give me legal help, and for that I need your help. With this fundraiser, I'm trying to raise $15,000 to help me move forward in my case against TSA. And I'm looking for people who believe in free speech. I'm looking for people who are defenders of the U.S. Constitution. And I'm looking for people who may have had interactions or grievances with the TSA. I'm standing up for you today.